In this video, I will cover how to access Retention Alert, turn your Retention Alert reminder notification on, and how to work a Retention Alert case. In order to access the Retention Alert system, you would access it by logging into your MyTriton portal and selecting Web Advisor for Advisors. If this is your first time accessing the Retention Alert system, you do want to first select Retention Case Reminder Preference. Next, you will choose Yes from the drop-down menu and click Select. This will allow you to receive email alerts when you have a new case. To start to work your cases, you want to select My To-Do List from the Advisor Information menu. Cases are divided into two primary categories: academic and counseling cases. Once you select the appropriate case type, you will be shown a list of all of the open cases that you are assigned to work. Click on the student case link that you wish to work on. You will be shown the Work the Case form. Click the Expand Case History link in order to view details of how the case was created and any notes associated with the case. In order to work the case, you can select any item from the Choose an Action drop-down box. Note, when working a case, you should never close out of a case by clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner of the web form or by using the back button. If you need to close out of a case, select Go to My To-Do List from the drop-down box to return to your open case list. Adding a note to a case. Faculty and student support staff should update the Retention Alert case with any student contact attempts made or new pertinent information until the case is closed. You can also add a new case type. You can add new case types to an existing student's case. Only items not already on the student's list can be selected. You can also send an email. Individuals already tied to the case, including the students, current instructors, will automatically display in the top portion of the form. You can choose to send, copy, or blind copy each of these people. You can also enter additional people or email addresses as appropriate. This email will be a part of the case history. You can also reassign a case. Cases may be reassigned to someone else. Select Reassign a Case from the Choose an Action list. A list of roles to which you can reassign the case displays. Select the roles that the case should now go to. Enter a note to explain why you are reassigning the case. You should also reassign it to your own role if you want to be able to view and monitor the case. If you want to unassign a role from a case, you can do so by simply unchecking that role. Note, you should take yourself off the case if it no longer applies to you. And this is an example of what it looks like to reassign a case. In this example, this case is being assigned to the student success strategist role. You can also choose to close the case. A student's case may be closed when the issue is resolved or the appropriate number of contact attempts have been made. Select Close the Case from the Choose an Action box. Select the reason for closing the case from the list. Enter a summary statement, and if more information is needed, you can enter that in detailed notes and select Submit. That is how you would work a case.